Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact model and build. This prevents installing the wrong package. Once done, run a full backup to cloud or local storage so you can restore if something goes wrong. Next, charge your device above 50% or plug it in and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi. These steps reduce interruption risks and ensure the update downloads and installs smoothly. Don't skip verification, backup, charging, or network checks. You now fetch the update. Check Settings System Update and read the release notes so you know what changes and fixes are included. If the OTA is not offered, download the OEM package from the manufacturer's support page, matching your model and build, and verify file integrity. Once the file is ready, install while the device is idle. Close background apps, disable VPNs, and allow the installer to reboot the phone. This ensures the update. You finish by validating the new build and security patch level in Settings About Phone so you know the update succeeded. If you notice boot loops, app crashes, or battery anomalies, first boot to safe mode and clear the system cache partition. This resolves many post-update conflicts. If problems persist, restore from the backup you made earlier, collect logs with developer options enabled, and contact OEM support. Doing these steps lets you recover quickly and give precise info when seeking help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.